Hi friends, myself Sudarshanachary. Today we are going to discuss quadratic equation, class 10th. So quadratic equation is nothing but it's a part of polynomial children. Already you know the polynomial chapter. So when you are going to tell about this quadratic equation, so first we have to see one example. So suppose a rectangle field having length 10 centimeters and breadth is 4 centimeters. Okay, so how can find the area of this quadratic rectangle? Area of rectangle, we know very well the formula L into B, that is area of rectangle is formula of that L into B. L means 10, B means 4, so 10 4s are 40 square units of the what area of rectangle. Suppose if the length and breadth of this quadratic rectangular length and breadth of this rectangular field increased by x, so means here all sides, here x width I am taking, this side also x width, this side also x, this side also x. So here previous year taking here 10 units, here 4 units. So now what we get is the length and breadth of outer rectangle, which is taking the width, add the width on all sides. Okay, so then what is the length of this here? 10 plus x 2x. Now here width is what here? 4 plus x 2x. Now this 10 plus 2x, 4 plus 2x is these two are measurements of outer length and breadth of rectangle. Okay, now how can find the area of that outer rectangle? So A is equal to L into B. So in the outer measurements, L is equal to 10 plus 2x and 4 plus 2x. 4 plus 2x. Now A is equal to multiply this 10 into 4, 40 plus 10 to the 20x. 2 4 the 8x. 2 to the 4x square. Now see here. So here according to the degree 4x square write it first, then 28, add that 28x plus 40. See, it is one algebraic expression. So it is what area of this the rectangle which is increased width, x width by both measurements length and breadth. Okay, so it is algebraic expression. The degree of this algebraic expression is 2. Okay, so here already in class second the polynomial in polynomial already you know the standard form of polynomial. Polynomial nothing but an algebraic expression which is contain non-negative integers as exponents. Okay. So the standard form of polynomial is a. So a0 x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1, a2 x to the power of n minus 2 and so on plus an. So it is a standard form of polynomial of degree n. Okay. So here a0, a1, a2, a3 and so on, an are the arbitrary coefficients. You know very well. So here if a polynomial of degree 2, what is the degree standard form of polynomial degree 2? That is ax square plus bx plus c. This polynomial is called as second degree polynomial. Okay, so here if a polynomial p of x is equal to 0, the second degree polynomial, if that p of that polynomial is equal to 0, means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is nothing but it's a quadratic equation. Also we can say that an algebraic equation which is contained second degree, an algebraic equation which is contained second degree, then that is called as quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is an algebraic equation of degree 2. So here it the standard form of quadratic equation. Standard form of quadratic equation. In that, some types of quadratic equations are there. So here, incomplete quadratic equation. Incomplete quadratic equation means if b is equal to 0 or c is equal to 0 of this quadratic equation, so then that quadratic equation said to be the incomplete quadratic equation. Means if b equal to 0 means ax square plus c is equal to 0, or c is equal to 0 means ax square plus bx is equal to 0. These two are said to be the incomplete quadratic equation. Okay, next, if a is equal to 0, sorry, b is equal to 0. If b is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation is said to be the pure quadratic equation. Pure quadratic equation, that is ax square plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so based on that type we can say this. Next, one more. We know very well what is the standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so in that, if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0, then alpha x is equal to the alpha. This alpha is called what? Root of the quadratic equation. Root of the quadratic equation. Okay, so root means this value is satisfied. Means when you are going to substitute in place of x alpha, if giving the value is 0, okay, the result is 0, then the alpha is called root of quadratic equation. Now here the quadratic equation is nothing but second degree equation. Second degree equation, that's why this quadratic equation contains two roots. Okay, two roots. Now here to find the roots of the quadratic equation, we follow some methods. One is the factorization method, next completing square method, formula method, and graphical methods. So already the graphical method, that is completed in that what polynomial. You know already we know about that graphical method in the polynomial chapter. How to find the quadratic polynomial by using graph. Okay, so in our this textbook in the quadratic equation chapter, so main this chapter complete based on the what factorization method, completing square method, and formula method. Okay, so here the 5.1 exercise, here complete framing based on the what is quadratic equation. So they tested the children's how the children are know about the quadratic equation or the standard form of quadratic equation or not. To check that intention, they prepared 5.1 exercise. Okay, so next 5.2, 5.3, that is what complete what methods. How to find the quadratic roots of the quadratic equation by using factorization method. How to find the roots of the quadratic equation by using completing square method and formula. So 5.2 is factorization method, 5.3 is formula and completing square method, and 5.4, that is nature of roots of the quadratic equation. Means to say anything about the quadratic equation, we have to check by the what discriminant, we can say the nature. How quadratic equation is contain zeros or not. If contain zeros, how many zeros are there? Okay, the zeros, which type of zeros getting. So that we have to discuss in the 5.4 exercise. Okay, so next in that the what uses of the quadratic equation, if see in the when you are so in the when you are firing the what rocket fired upwards, so to identify the path how the rocket is going to find the path of that. So in that situation we use the quadratic equation. And the second one, to find the to make in the satellite dishes. So in that case also quadratic equation is applicable. To find the length of eye length, to making eye length, the orbits of celestials, in that situation also quadratic equations are we used. So next one more, the finding the path of projectile. Projectile nothing but when you are suppose a person playing in the ground, kick the football, how football is going from one place to another place. So finding that path of football, so that is in that situation also we can use quadratic equation. Children, if you like my what class, you have to click like button and what subscribe channel. I will provide all formula what the videos, the coming videos. I what 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, whatever may be, I will provide to you. Thank you.